This is how you can configure this TP-Link extender or repeater. This plugs in directly into the wall. So once it's plugged in, you just want to go ahead on your PC, navigate to your networks tab. So here you should find it broadcasting a network. So as you can see, it's broadcasting under TP-Link extender and the network should be open. So you just need to go ahead and click connect. Then once it's fully connected, you should be able to see it redirect you to this site here. So it might take some time, you just want to wait for it, be patient. So once that is done, you should be able to see this welcome page where we can now set our admin login. So this login will allow us to log into this device at any time if we go to its IP. So you just want to make sure that it's secure, since it's the one that helps you configure settings on it. Once happy, you can click start. So once you click start, you should be able to see it load. Then once it's fully loaded, it will start scanning for networks. So here, as you have seen, it's showing that it's only scanning for 2.4 gigahertz because that's the only band that it supports. So you want to make sure your network is not 5 gigahertz. Then here you just want to now select the actual network where you want to connect or the network you want to extend. For example, the first one is the one I want to extend, then click that. Then once you do that, you should be able to see where it says putting in your password. So you just want to make sure you put in the Wi-Fi password of that network, for example, as you can see here. So once that is fully set, you just want to now go ahead and click next. So once you click next, you should be able to see it showing you either to hide the SSID, meaning you do not want it to be broadcasted, so meaning it won't just pop up automatically on your network, you just have to manually search for it. So for me, I'll leave the SSID as is because this is just a test, and click next. Then you should be able to see it showing you this dashboard. So from here to show you some of the settings that you've set already, but you want to just click the X here by the corner so that you can display the save button. So once you click the save button here, it will start applying the changes or the settings. Then it should reboot. Immediately it's rebooted, it should disconnect you from the actual network because we need to reconnect to that network. So once you tick that, you can go ahead on your networks tab again and make sure you are connected to the right one. As you can see, 2.4 gigahertz, that's the one I had created. So I'll click on that and click connect. Then we need to add in the Wi-Fi password. So you just make sure you connect with the right Wi-Fi password. Since this is just extending your network, use the same password. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and go back to your browser, where now you should see something like this. You just want to go where the URL is and click enter. Then here we can now put in our admin password again. Then we want to click login, and that should log us in completely, as you can see here. And our extender is now fully online, and you can see devices connected to it, as you can see there. And also there's a lot of things you would want to configure, but we'll do that in later videos.